In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voice in Elevenlabs. This platform offers a wide array of voice options that can bring a new level of customization to your projects. Whether you're using Elevenlabs for presentations, projects, or any creative endeavors, adding voice can truly enhance the quality and engagement of your content. Let's dive in and explore it step by step. To begin, let's head over to the Elevenlabs homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already done so. The homepage is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, letting you access various features effortlessly. Now, direct your attention to the Voices tab. To add a new voice, you'll want to click on the plus sign next to this tab. This action will guide you toward the section where you can explore and integrate different voices. Upon clicking the plus sign, you will enter the Voice Library. The Voice Library in Elevenlabs is the treasure trove of diverse voice options, perfect for meeting various needs or preferences. Spend some time browsing through the library to acquaint yourself with the types of voices available. Listening to several samples can give you a better understanding of which voice best suits your requirements, ensuring the outcome aligns perfectly with your vision. Now that you've listened to some samples, it's time to make your selections. Find the voices that resonate best with your project's needs. Once you've made your decisions, you can add them to your library by clicking the plus sign next to each desired voice. This action saves the chosen voices to your personal library, making them readily accessible for future projects. With your voices now added to the library, you are ready to incorporate them into your work. Remember, the key is to select voices that will best convey your message or story, enhancing clarity and engagement for your audience. The voice you choose can profoundly impact how your content is received, so take the time to pick the right one. If you ever need to revisit this process or add more voices, the steps are always the same. Navigate back to the homepage, click on the plus sign next to the Voices tab, explore the voice library, and add whichever voices suit your needs. This easy-to-follow method ensures you can continuously adapt and expand your project's creative aspects as necessary. Let's wrap it up there. You now have all the tools you need to effectively add and manage voices in Elevenlabs, setting the stage for immersive and engaging content. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough, and happy creating!